Hello to everyone. So this month I'm being cheap. For the rest of the month I'm having very cheap food, extremely cheap food. So I fried 4 of these maple pork links, so 50 cents from Dollar Tree. I fried half of the package. And then in my prepping stuff, I had pork and beans, just a little can. I think I bought these for 50 cents too. Okay, and so what I did was I did the stealthy car living thing, and I said to myself, okay, what if I had to live in my car? Well, if I had to live in my car, I would need about 30 portions of food every month. Okay, I'm going to add water. And so when any kind of beans, if you know one thing your beans are going to come out better, it's salt, pepper, and sugar. So I have some raw brown sugar. It can be regular brown sugar. And you might be going, well, pork and beans are already sweet enough. That's true. You don't have to add the sugar if you don't want to, but if you do, it tastes good. And I have pepper and I have salt. So this is at least enough. Let's see. I'll look on the thing. Serving size, 2.5 serving sizes. This stuff is not fattening either, 130 pounds. So if you're prepping, consider getting some of these cans of beans. What I did, so now I'm just going to cook this down. I'm not coming back because this is all there is to it. But on any kind of beans, if you cook them for maybe 35 minutes and you watch them, and if you need more water, add more water. And what's going to happen is your pork links are going to flavor up your beans, because you know beans are kind of blah. And so okay, this could be a turkey burger, this could be hamburger, this could be hot dogs, this could be kielbasa sausage, this could be any kind of meat. And then if you have cornbread, that would be really good. So, okay, you guys, let me give you a close-up. This is an easy one. Try this. God bless you all.